But yeah, so I'm gonna get rid of all of that. That would be the objective for today. Like, so bad. Like, look at this. Like, ignore that. Ignore that. What do I talk about that? I don't know what. These? Dawn, this is yours. This is yours, Dawn. This table, well, no, this table is mine. I'm probably gonna keep it. This trash can, yes. This was a, I think that's for washer dryer hookup. So, hold on. Yeah, washer dryer hookup. So, yeah. Regular clothes? So, yes. The concoction. Water, bleach, fabuloso. Yes. No. 3 combinations. Not supposed to. Anyways, the next task is this. Inside, I know. This is kind of. Look at that. Disgusting. I gotta get this too. So, nice.
Okay, so now I'm scrubbing at the floor where we had like some like, it was for bugs, like powder, but it was like gunk collected over like a while. Sorry. So as you can see, I already like scrubbed it, and then I'm about to get this. I don't even remember if I got to it, but I'm about to scrub this part out. And you can see the floor. Ta-da! I missed this spot right here. I'm not catching what I'm seeing, but yeah, I missed that part. Scooting over some more, scrub. Actually, it's more like wipe aggressively because I couldn't find my scrubby pad. I know it's called a scrub pad, but I'm gonna call it a scrubby pad. I need to get one of those scrub daddy pads, because they're really popular. Anyways, I'm not scrubbing right now. I just been minutes to clean the cabinets. Ignore me, please. Alright, so cleaning got a little bit delayed, but ignore that. That's not what we're focused on today. What we're focused on today is this. Oh wait, let me just do this. Is it not gonna let me out? What even is that? Great, awesome. Don't know how to work it. Anyways, this is the goal for today. Not that. Actually, no. This is the goal. Scrubbing this whole entire wall. Like, look at this. This is supposed to be in connection with the rest of the vlog. Because I couldn't find my other tripod. Because I had to, put it somewhere safe. Because, he had a guest. And, oops. Sliding is horrible. Hold up. So bad. Literally, I need better lights. The only one we have is you can't see it. Ignore my head, please. Why can't I get it in the frame? Okay, well, it's one good bulb. Hold on. Literally last second. And over here, lighting is atrocious. Apartment buildings, at least if you're gonna raise the rent $1,000 freaking dollars, can you at least make the lighting better? Because what is this? What is that? Probably didn't see it. I'm not doing it again. So, yeah. This is gonna take the rest of the day. Oh wait, you can't see it because I'm a nincompoop. Anyways, so we're scrubbing this wall. And I'm gonna, I guess, try and tackle this. Keyword try, okay? If I don't do it, it's because I have to work the rest of the week. It felt nice to have 2 days off during the week and not just wait until the end of the week. It felt nice. I can't wait until I can quit that job because, yikes, it is mentally taxing. Working there is like a different breed. Like, I knew it would be different, but I still didn't listen. Not like I really had choice, actually, but I still didn't listen. Should have listened. Didn't listen. So, yeah. Hopefully you can't hear it, but I have Social Network in the back. It's a pretty good movie. Oh my gosh, the lighting is horrible here. Literally, all around this apartment has horrible lighting. What is it like in here? I don't think... I really need to take that out. Can you see it? No, you can't. I'm not too short down here to do. Anyways, so yeah, this is just a slight pause and thing because cleaning is, I'm gonna cut that. Cleaning is taxing for me. Like, to do it, I literally put it off. Like, I don't mind doing it, but it's such a taxing thing to do. And like, I had body butters before, but like I couldn't really like clean them. Not clean them, that's not even the right word. Make them. I couldn't really like make them after like a while because yet again we had guests that were in my general space of an office. Like, this was my office. I'm not gonna show that part now that I think about it. Never mind. This is a paint that my fiance made. He doesn't really do that anymore, or I mean, if you asked him, he would probably do it. He can never really say no to like piece of artwork that someone wants. Yay, I love the eclectic shadows on my face. Actually, oh, that's kind of too bright. Let's bring it down a notch. Jeez. I can't tell. Anyways, ignore the space in the back. I'm so sure that you can see all of the mess in the back. Isn't it great? Yeah, it's great. It's great. I'm glad you could agree. So anyways, the first part of this was on cinematic. This is just on regular video. Oh, I hate the lighting. The lighting for me is not good. It's not good. Anyways, I'm gonna clean this off, and hopefully this will be the actual just theme for the YouTube. I miss doing makeup though. I do miss doing that though. That was actually fun. But I kind of had to stop doing that because, you know, previously stated, we had guests. Now, if I had the second original plan, which the things just magically continuously happen time and time again. So for like 5 months, there were like car issues. So hopefully by the end of June, we'll have a new car. And it's supposed to be a Honda. You know, those things are indestructible. So anyways, I think I'm just gonna mop that out and then push everything out here. So that way that space is just clean and neutral. And I can't find my other tripod, but because I had to hide it from a toddler. So I'm just gonna see it. This is annoying. I'm horrible at this. So I'm gonna wash this out. Well, not wash it out, but clean it out. I don't have those heavy duty paper towels, but you know, whatever. This part is such a task. Lysol. So how do I do this? What? Fake wood. Our British apartments would do away with this fake wood, but at least if it's 1200. It wouldn't make it impossible to live here. Ew, where's my scrubby pad? So ignore my feet. That's horrible every time they get in the frame. I tried to block it out. I tried to cut the frame so that you wouldn't see my toes in the frame, and I apologize. I'm trying to get, we had like a fly catcher thing, and it would keep getting stuck to the wall, and it was there for a while. So yeah, and I'm trying to scrub like I think it's called the baseboards or something, and I'm gonna try and repaint them. Thanks for watching.